What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm gonna give you a little race action on tonight. We got Christian and his little V16 Turbo CRX. Sean in the K24 9th Gen Civic Si. Okay, so tell me about the mod you have on your car, Sean.
Alright, this is a skunk tool, short ram intake, RBC manifold, ported by Low Fab down in Florida. K2 fuel rail, 410cc injectors, stock long block, stock transmission, skunk tool downpipe, and K2 exhaust, tuned by Javi. Last year around this time we made 210 on the dyno, 174 torque. Right now I'm not on pump gas anymore. I'm on the 85, so haven't been able to go to the dyno, but it still runs pretty good too.
Awesome. We'll see what it puts down right now. All right, Christian, tell me about your setup a little bit.
V16 Turbo, 8 PSI, 212 horsepower, tuned by Robert E.G. G-Tune, El Paso, Texas, baby.
Go feel my clutch pedal. No, it's not gone. What's the deal? You have to go. It's still there, but it's not there. It's there, buddy. Go ahead and feel it, man. It's close? Yeah, I can make it.
That's an EF
That's exactly how I feel
That's what I was saying. I was like, hey, it is what it is, dude. Look, like I missed gear. Yeah.
That was fun, man.
My clutch is on this last. I think I could put that clutch to rest now.
That's it? No more racing for you?
You know, clutch pedal.
Honestly, it might feel a little bit better after it cools down. You give it a day because it's really hot right now. You know, tear it apart. It it might feel perfectly fine. Plus your clutch fluid's probably hot. Have you ever let it?
We did it one time.
Did you? Okay, I was gonna say.
After it was, remember it was the first time you got it on video when it was slipping?
Yeah.
We let it after that. And
Yeah,
it was
okay.
gripping, but I don't think bleeding is
Yeah, it's probably just getting
probably
jacked up.
because it's chirping. Like I would tell you whenever I go from first. And
Okay.
Just chirp. I'm like, nah. Okay, it's fine.
Tearing it up.
Since
It
2015.
went down. Dude, this looks. It's the CRX of death. Who's next?
Okay.
I was like, damn. Dude. I mean, so win's a win. I'm happy that I was able to handle it.
Yeah, shit. After you
That's
turn it
cool.
up,
I think it was gonna be close in between there.
when you turn it up, I was like, oh. And I caught it. I had my window down. I was like, let me see what this one is.
Yeah.
And I caught the whole thing with my window down. I was like,
So,
yeah.
It was a big difference. No, dude, it was restricting, and I had a feeling that with that heat.
I think you're losing a lot of power too with the blow by,
Yeah.
and that's once you do what you gotta do with the motor, rebuild it,
Make sure you
whatever.
put that shit on.
That's why I recorded a little bit of it right now,
Look at
so
this shit, dude.
that'll be like the very ending. Thanks for watching.
But make sure everybody knows it.